The latest flagship from Xiaomi, the Xiaomi 14 is finally launched in India and it is creating a lot of buzz. We have already done our overview that is available to watch on our channel. But the one thing that is taking my eyes is the camera setup. Now Xiaomi has a partnership with Leica, the leading camera manufacturer, and the newer camera setup on this device is something to keep an eye on. Now today we have the Xiaomi 14 with us, and in this video we are going to take a look at how the camera setup performs in real life. Hey guys, my name is Ashwin, you guys are watching Gadgets 360 and let's get started. In terms of camera hardware, the Xiaomi 14 comes equipped with a triple rear camera setup with Leica optics. So this is how the camera app UI looks like. You get the option to choose between Leica Vibrant and Leica Authentic mode. And you can zoom in up to 60x through the app. Now in the portrait mode, you get the option to choose between these 5 modes for different types of portrait looks. In terms of videos, you can go up to 4K 60 and 8K 24 FPS. And on the front side, you get the option to go up to 4K 60 FPS videos. This phone is capable of recording at up to 8K 24 FPS, and this is how the video looks like. This is how the rear video looks like. You can shoot 4K 60 FPS here, and the stabilization also looks pretty good here. Okay, so this is how the front video looks like. You can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS and the audio is directly being recorded in the smartphone. And yes, the stabilization also looks pretty good here. Now that you have seen the camera samples of the Xiaomi 14, we are waiting for you guys in the comment section. Tell us your opinions and what do you think about the camera performance of the Xiaomi 14. That's it for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.